Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a cleaning video. So I haven't done one of these in a while and I was really feeling it. So lately I've been in that nesting phase. So I'm almost 35 weeks pregnant now. So nesting is kicking in, minus I'm not nesting like with baby things. I've been nesting like with YouTube. So I've been like cranking out videos like crazy, but I'm having so much fun doing it. And I'm loving interacting with you guys and getting your feedback on what you guys are liking and what you guys are not liking. And a lot of you had mentioned that you love my cleaning videos and it helps you motivate yourself to clean as well. So I'm going to share with you guys my cleaning routine in the evening time on cleaning up my kitchen. So this is everything that you see here is something that I do nightly, because having a clean kitchen in my house is top priority because we make 3 meals a day in this kitchen. So I want to make sure that we have a clean workspace when it comes to preparing food. That's very important to me, and it's something that I want to make sure that my family has, is a clean kitchen to cook in. So today is also Earth Day, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my favorite products from Grove Collaborative. I mentioned Grove Collaborative before. No, this is not a sponsored video, but I just would like to go ahead and share with you guys the deal that Grove Collaborative has today for Earth Day, and you can take $20 off of your first purchase. So there will be a link in the description box. If you want to go ahead and sign up with that link, you're going to get $20 off of your first purchase. So all of the products that I'm showing you guys here are friendly to kiddos as well as pets, and if you are pregnant, chemicals are fine for you as well, because you want to be careful of harsh chemicals when you're cleaning during pregnancy too. So I love that I don't even have to worry about that. And you can get baby stuff from Grove Collaborative as well. So get natural personal care, so you can get deodorants, you can get body wash, you can get tampons, pads, you can get toothpaste, you can also get baby products as well. So you can get baby wash, baby lotion, diapers, wipes, tons of things that you can go ahead and just stock up on with Grove Collaborative, and you can take $20 off of your first order. So we are a money saving channel here, so I love to share deals with you when I find them, especially on natural cleaning products and natural baby personal care products. So now let's just go ahead and hop into what I do on a nightly basis. Okay, so the routine starts with putting a glass Pyrex in the microwave and heating it up for 5 minutes, and I put a few drops of essential oil. I've been using grapefruit because I like the scent in the microwave, and that's just going to break up all the food debris. And then I'm using the Method granite spray, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the microwave while the water is heating up. So I do that first because it takes a good 5 minutes to get the microwave finished. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and do all of my countertops. So all of my countertops get a wipe down at the end of the night. Actually, to be honest, my counters get a wipe down like 3 times a day, but I'm going in with the Method granite spray and just wiping everything down. And if you're not using microfiber towels, you need to get on it. So next, most important part of my cleaning routine, in my opinion, is making sure my stove gets clean. So I do a mixture of the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in lemon verbanda, and then I mix it with water, and I use my wool scrubber to scrub the stove. So I'm just spraying everything into the stove to get all the food debris and crust and gross stuff that collects into the stove. So I do this every single night because I swore to myself when we moved into this house that I was not going to let my stove get disgusting, because once it gets nasty, it takes a lot of arm work to reverse it. So every single night I am scrubbing this stove. And like I was mentioning before, if you guys have not jumped on microfiber towels, you need to try them. So I got a pack of 10 at Home Depot about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. I want to say it was under $10, but these are so easy. You just use the towel, and then when you're done cleaning, you just pop it into the laundry and you can reuse it again. So my paper towel cost in my house has gone down significantly because of these magic little yellow towels. But some people love them, some people hate them, but I definitely love them. So if I can save on paper towels, I am all about that life. So then I'm going to use the Method Granite Spray again, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the stove because all the random stuff dribbles down, and I find that the granite spray does a really good job at polishing up the stainless steel. As you can see, it's very shiny in this clip, so I'm just admiring the shininess of my stove at this point. And then even the sink needs a bath because the sink gets so disgusting with all of the food that gets dropped into it and all the dishes that sit in it for most of the day. So I always do a good scrub of the stainless steel sink as well. So I use the Mrs. Meyer's soap in the sink as well. And then you have to do a load of dishes at the end of the night. If not, you're going to have to do them in the morning, and who wants to do that? And yes, again, I am going to be going in with my Method Granite Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my dishwasher because my dishwasher seems to get magic little sticky fingerprints on it throughout the day. So got to wipe those away. And they appear on the fridge as well. So fridge gets a nice wipe down as well. And yes, guys, I do this every single night because I don't know about you guys, but I do not like crusty fingerprint smudges all over the fridge. I don't like it. It just grosses me out. So we just wipe it down every day. Every day we wipe it down. And then we're going to go ahead, go back to the microwave and scrub everything out. And if I look like I'm irritated in this clip, it's because I'm asking myself why my husband doesn't put a paper towel over his spaghetti-o bowl and it just splatters everywhere. So I'm trying to understand why this doesn't happen. I just don't understand. And with 2 dogs and 2 kids, sweeping is a daily thing, sometimes a multiple times a day thing. I don't even know if that made any sense, but yeah, sweeping up the floor. And like this video if you never match your socks, because I never do. And I think I'm wearing llama socks today and a striped sock. So if you're like me and you don't match your socks, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And then my supervisor will be coming around the corner, little Porter, inspecting my work, telling me how I'm doing. There he is. And then I'm going to go ahead and mop the floor. So I use the Method mop spray. It's in the squirt bottle. Love this stuff. Super easy. You don't have to use a pail. You don't have to use rags. And I am all about that. Hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning routine, this nighttime cleaning routine. So if you guys are enjoying these cleaning videos, then I will continue to do these videos. And you know, a lot of people ask me, you know, where do you find the time to be able to do all of this stuff? And basically I just make it a priority. So we all have time in the day. It's just how we choose to use that time in the day. So if cleaning is a priority for you and you want to have an easier cleanup, then just pencil it into your schedule and make it happen. Because when you're cleaning on a regular basis, it makes the cleanup a lot easier. So on top of your cleaning routine, then it's not going to take a lot of time for you to do it every single night, and it starts to become habit to where you don't even think about it. I don't even think twice about it. Once dinner's done, that's when this routine starts. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and comment below if you are enjoying this cleaning motivation type video.